Good morning, my name is John, and today tell you a little about me. She is my sister. She is a very important person for me because helps me and is always there for me at any times and its support. Okay, they are my family. They are a very important help me in my life. They support me and help me in whatever I need and advise me. They give me recommendations and they are the best family. He is my best friend. He is an incredible person. He helps me in good times and bad. Uh, we like sports and also playing on the console. And he is best friends. And we like play soccer and basketball. And go. Thanks for you.